We are well aware of our present challenging circumstances as a nation. The twin challenge of insecurity and economic difficulties could tamper with the confidence of our citizens. It is therefore our constitutional responsibility to respond to the 40 bills so far proposed and also attend to the duty of government to ensure the security and welfare of the citizens as provided by the Constitution. The committee is fully aware of the concerns of Nigerians on the need to finalize and conclude discussions around Nigeria's Constitution. I would like to state, however, that the nature of Nigeria's Constitution and the history around how it was made and handed over to a new civilian government in 1999 makes it imperative for us to continually revisit the several provisions of the Constitution and work towards accomplishing consensus on outstanding constitutional debates.